Scene script. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others struggle financially regardless of their hard work? Could the secret be hidden in our minds? Welcome to the fascinating world of the money mindset. It's a concept that may sound a bit abstract, but it's as tangible as the cash in your wallet or the balance in your bank account. Essentially, your money mindset is the unique set of beliefs and attitudes you hold about money. It's the lens through which you view your financial world, and it influences every financial decision you make. But why is it important? Well, it's simple. Your money mindset can shape your financial reality. If you're constantly worried about not having enough, you might find yourself always falling short. On the other hand, if you believe in abundance and financial success, you may be more likely to achieve it. It's not magic, it's psychology. Think about it. If you believe that money is the root of all evil, you might subconsciously push it away, even when opportunities present themselves. Conversely, if you see money as a tool that can create opportunities and provide security, your actions will align with that belief. But here's the kicker. Everyone has a unique money mindset. That's right, there's no one-size-fits-all approach here. Some people might have a scarcity mindset, constantly worrying about money and fearing they'll never have enough. Others might have an abundance mindset, believing there's plenty of wealth to go around, and there are countless variations in between. So whether you realize it or not, your money mindset is influencing your relationship with money, for better or for worse. It's shaping your spending habits, your saving patterns, and your overall financial behavior. Now, this isn't about blaming yourself for any financial struggles. It's about understanding the power of your mindset and how it can impact your financial journey. You see, once you're aware of your money mindset, you can work to change it. You can challenge negative beliefs, embrace positive attitudes, and start reshaping your financial destiny. So if you're not happy with your current financial situation, maybe it's time to take a closer look at your money mindset. But what does psychology have to do with wealth? Turns out quite a bit. You see, wealth isn't just about the dollars and cents, it's about the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that we associate with money. These mental and emotional factors can either fuel our journey towards financial abundance, or they can trap us in a cycle of financial stagnation. Think about it. Have you ever found yourself avoiding checking your bank account because you're afraid of what you might find? Or maybe you've experienced a sense of guilt or unease when you think about spending money on yourself. These are just a couple of examples of how our psychological relationship with money can impact our financial reality. One common psychological barrier to wealth is the fear of success. Yes, as strange as it may sound, some people are actually afraid of achieving financial success. They may worry about the responsibilities that come with wealth, or they may fear that success will change them in ways they won't like. This fear can hold them back from taking the steps necessary to build wealth. Another barrier is money guilt. This is the feeling that one doesn't deserve to have money, or that it's somehow wrong to want more of it. Money guilt can prevent people from pursuing opportunities to increase their income or wealth. And then there's the scarcity mindset. This is the belief that there's never enough money to go around, that every financial gain must come at someone else's expense. People with a scarcity mindset often struggle to see the opportunities for wealth creation that are all around them. These psychological barriers can be powerful, but the good news is they're not insurmountable. By becoming aware of these barriers and understanding how they influence our financial behaviors, we can start to shift our mindset. We can move from a place of fear and scarcity to a place of abundance and possibility. Understanding the psychology of wealth is the first step towards overcoming these barriers and paving your way to financial success. Now let's delve into some real-life stories of people who transformed their money mindset and changed their financial destiny. Our first story is about a woman named Lisa. Growing up, Lisa's family struggled financially, and she internalized a belief that money was scarce and hard to come by. This belief followed her into adulthood, where it manifested as constant financial stress and difficulty saving. But then, Lisa decided to change her money mindset. She began to visualize money as abundant and available. She started to believe she was worthy of financial success. This shift in mindset led Lisa to make more strategic financial decisions, and within a few years, she had saved enough to buy her first home. Another remarkable transformation comes from Mark, a successful entrepreneur. Mark grew up in a middle-class family where the prevailing belief was that one has to work hard to earn money. This belief led him to work grueling hours, sacrificing his health and personal life. However, after a health scare, Mark decided to transform his money mindset. He started believing that money can be earned through smart work, not just hard work. He began delegating tasks, focusing on strategic growth and valuing his time. Today, Mark runs a multi-million-dollar business while enjoying a healthy work-life balance. Next, we have the story of Anna, a single mother who lived paycheck to paycheck. Anna always believed that she was bad with money, and this belief kept her stuck in a cycle of debt. But one day, Anna decided she had enough. She started educating herself about personal finance. She began to see money as a tool, not an enemy. She built a budget, started an emergency fund, and even began investing. Today, Anna is debt-free and building wealth for her future. Our last story is about a man named Joe. Joe was a lottery winner who lost all his money within a couple of years due to poor financial habits. He believed that money was meant to be spent, not saved. But after hitting rock bottom, Joe decided to transform his money mindset. He began to respect money and understand the value of saving and investing. Today, Joe is financially secure and uses his story to educate others about the importance of a positive money mindset. Each of these individuals had different starting points and faced different challenges, but they all shared one thing in common. They transformed their money mindset. They moved from seeing money as a source of stress or an elusive goal to viewing it as an accessible tool that can provide security and freedom. As these stories show, changing your money mindset can be a game changer in your financial journey. So how can you cultivate a wealth-oriented mindset? It all begins with a shift in perspective. The first step towards cultivating a wealth-oriented mindset is understanding that wealth isn't simply about having a lot of money. It's about nurturing a relationship with money that is healthy, respectful, and positive. One practical way to do this is through financial education. Knowledge is power, and this is especially true when it comes to finances. By educating yourself about money matters, you can make informed decisions that lead to wealth accumulation. Read books, take courses, watch videos, or even find a mentor who can guide you through the complexities of financial management. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the financial landscape. Setting clear financial goals is another crucial strategy. It's like using a GPS for your financial journey. Without clear goals, you may find yourself wandering aimlessly, unsure of where you're headed. But with clear, specific, and measurable goals, you'll have a roadmap that guides you towards financial success. These goals could be anything from building an emergency fund to starting a business or saving for retirement. Just remember, the more specific your goals, the easier it will be to devise a plan to reach them. Practicing gratitude is also key in cultivating a wealth-oriented mindset. It might seem unrelated, but the truth is, gratitude has a profound impact on our financial well-being. When we focus on what we have rather than what we lack, we foster a sense of abundance. This abundance mindset, in turn, opens us up to opportunities for wealth creation that we might otherwise miss. So, take a moment each day to appreciate what you have. It could be as simple as being grateful for a roof over your head or the ability to put food on the table. Lastly, embrace a growth mindset. This means viewing challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. It's about believing in your ability to learn, adapt, and improve. With a growth mindset, financial setbacks aren't failures, but valuable lessons that can help you grow and succeed in the future. Cultivating a wealth-oriented mindset is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, consistent changes that over time transform the way you think about and interact with money. It's about shifting from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance, from fear to confidence, from confusion to clarity. Remember, building a wealth-oriented mindset is not a one-time event, but a continuous process. But the rewards are worth the effort. And as you continue to grow and learn, you'll find that this mindset not only brings you financial success, but also a sense of fulfillment and peace that transcends material wealth. But what about those deep-seated limiting beliefs that hold us back from wealth? You see, it's not just about knowing how to make money or understanding the principles of wealth. It's about overcoming the barriers within us that prevent us from fully embracing the prosperity that could be ours. So how do we identify these limiting beliefs? They often manifest as negative thoughts or feelings about money. You might think, I don't deserve to be wealthy, or money is the root of all evil. These thoughts are not facts, they're just beliefs, and beliefs can be changed. And how do we change these beliefs? There are several techniques. One is affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to replace negative beliefs. For example, instead of thinking, I can't afford this, you might say, I'm a money magnet and wealth flows effortlessly to me. Another technique is visualization. Visualize yourself as a wealthy person. Imagine the lifestyle you'd have, the things you'd be able to do, and the freedom you'd enjoy. Visualization is a powerful tool because it helps your brain to believe that this future is possible. Cognitive restructuring is another effective method. This involves identifying and challenging your negative beliefs about money. Ask yourself, is this belief really true? Or, what evidence do I have that this belief is false? By questioning your beliefs, you can start to change them. These techniques are not magic bullets. They require time, effort, and consistency, and they need to be combined with practical steps towards wealth creation. But they can help you to overcome the mental barriers that are holding you back from financial success. Remember, your beliefs about money are just that, beliefs. They're not set in stone. You have the power to change them. You have the power to create a positive money mindset. Overcoming limiting beliefs is a crucial part of developing a positive money mindset. It's like clearing the roadblocks on your path to financial success. And with that mindset, you're well on your way to a future of prosperity and abundance. So take that leap of faith, challenge those limiting beliefs, and embrace the wealth that can be yours. So, where do you go from here? The journey to financial success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a journey that starts with one step, with one thought, with one shift in your money mindset. The first step is to embrace the idea that your financial future is not predetermined by your past or your present. It is shaped by your mindset, by your beliefs about money and wealth, and by the actions you take today. You see, the long-term benefits of a positive money mindset are enormous. It's not just about having more money in the bank, although that's certainly a part of it. It's about financial freedom, peace of mind, and the ability to create meaningful change in the world. Financial freedom is not just about being rich. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your values, passions, and dreams. It's about having the freedom to say yes to opportunities and experiences that enrich your life, and to say no to things that don't serve you. It's about having the freedom to invest in yourself, in your growth and development, and in the causes and people you care about. A positive money mindset also brings peace of mind. When you have a healthy relationship with money, you are not constantly worried about it. You are not living in fear of unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. You are not stressed about the future. Instead, you are confident in your ability to manage your money effectively and to create wealth over time. You are at peace with money, and that peace translates into every area of your life. But perhaps the most powerful benefit of a positive money mindset is the ability to create meaningful change in the world. Money is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for ill. When you have a wealth-oriented mindset, you recognize that money is not just a means to an end, but a means to make a difference. You recognize that wealth is not just about personal gain, but about the positive impact you can have on your community, on society, and on the world. So, where do you go from here? The journey to financial success starts with a decision to transform your money mindset. It starts with a decision to challenge your limiting beliefs about money, to cultivate a wealth-oriented mindset, and to take action towards your financial goals. It starts with a decision to take control of your financial future, to shape it with your actions and your mindset, rather than letting it be shaped by circumstances or by fear. Your financial future is in your hands, and it all starts with your mindset. So, are you ready to transform your money mindset and unlock your financial potential? Before we wrap up, there's one more point to discuss. The next step. You have the knowledge, the mindset, and the tools. Now it's time to put them into action. But how? Start by setting clear, achievable financial goals. Whether it's saving for retirement, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having clear goals will give you something tangible to work towards. Then, create a plan. Break your goals down into small, manageable steps and start working towards them every day. Remember, progress, no matter how small, is still progress. Next, find ways to hold yourself accountable. This could be as simple as tracking your spending or as involved as hiring a financial coach. Accountability will keep you on track and focused on your goals. Finally, never stop learning. The world of finance is constantly changing, and staying informed will help you make smarter financial decisions. Read books, listen to podcasts, or take courses to expand your financial knowledge. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. It may take time, but with the right mindset, clear goals, and consistent action, you can achieve financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We're here to guide you on your financial journey. Thank you for watching.